Hey, it's Noah from Skillin It. We learn about important life skills everyone should have. Do you sometimes feel like you're not sure what to do? Or maybe you feel like you have too many things to do. Don't worry, there is a fast and easy way to help you know what you need to get done. It's called a to-do list like this one. So grab your paper and pencil and let's get to work. Life can be very busy and overwhelming. It's a good idea to make a to-do list every day so you know what things you need to do. First, grab some paper and a pencil. Sit down, think about the work that needs to get done for the day and write it down. Today, I have to vacuum my room, feed the cats, do laundry, recycle bottles and cans, exercise, eat lunch, and do my homework. Then I can take a break. Oh man, I'm busy, but it's okay. Now I know what I should focus on. It's also a good idea to think about how much time each activity will take. This is important so you don't spend too much time on a one task and don't leave any time to do the others. Pro tips. Ask your mom or dad for help if you are not sure what to write. New tasks may require training. This is a good thing because you can learn a new skill. Check me out. Now I know how to clean the leaves from the pool. Awesome! It's a good idea to organize your list starting with the most important task. Try writing in a daily journal about all the things you did that day. Then, you can look back and feel good about what you have accomplished. If you can't finish all the tasks on your list, don't worry. You can put those unfinished tasks on your list for the next day. Make sure you don't put too many tasks on your list. You may not be able to finish them all, or maybe you will become stressed out and want to give up. Bummer. It's better to write a few important tasks that you know you can finish for the day. It's a good idea to write your to-do list the night before, so you are ready for the next day. Your to-do list is a guide to help direct you through your day, but things sometimes come up and you may have to suddenly change your to-do list. No problem, just go back to your to-do list whenever possible. And lastly, put a fun activity on your to-do list. This can be playing your favorite video game or watching the latest episode of Skillin It. Haha. Well, there you go. Now you know how to make a to-do list. Good for you. Until next time, stay cool, be kind, and keep skilling it. Well, I'm finished. Oh no, I have too many things to do.